everyone, my name is Citlali Ortiz from the California-Mexico Study Center, and we are excited to announce that our campaign to restore advance parole will be moving forward to the national level, and we will be taking this all the way to Washington, D.C. next month. After a letter led by Congress members Alan Lowenthal and Nanette Barragán was sent to the Department of Homeland Security, we decided it was a perfect moment to speak with legislators in D.C. to secure more congressional signatures. While in D.C., we will be hosting a seminar on advance parole, as well as a mobilization day to secure more congressional support. If you would like to support us in our campaign to bring back advance parole for DACA recipients, here are some ways you can do it. Stay engaged by spreading the word and sharing our call to reinstate advance parole. You can also stay engaged by signing the campaign's petition. If you are in the DC area, please show up to our mobilization day as well as our seminar on advance parole. If you are unable to show up, please donate to our campaign so we can continue to expand our efforts. For more information, please check out our campaign's website.